Today we're working on the BMW, the Series 7 BMW. We've done a few episodes with the BMW. This particular one we're going to be worrying about the window. The window no longer goes up and down, so we're pretty sure we've got a problem with the window regulator. Fundamentally, if you've got a BMW, you're going to have problems with the regulator just because of the way they build the regulator. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to take the door apart. It's a fairly involved process. If you have somebody else do it, it's going to cost you a fair amount of money because you've got to get it down to a point where you actually pull the window out. So there's a lot of pieces that's got to come out, and you've got to be very careful on how you do this. So we're going to step it through piece by piece like we always do and explain everything so that you can successfully do this yourself. First thing we've got to do is we've got to take and find all the little clips around the door. Try and find where the clip is and pry gently with the pry bar. You want to use a plastic one, something that's made for doing body work. Take and pry it gently where the clip is. So once you find the first clip, then you can just kind of work your way around. So we're showing you now how you just work your way around to make sure you get all of the clips popped out. Now, before you can finish taking the door panel out, you've got to pop this little cover underneath the door handle and take the screw out. It's a Phillips screw that needs to come out. It's easy to get at, and so just go ahead and pull that screw out. Then you can start pulling the panel out away from the body of the door and start removing all the electrical clips. So there's a bunch of electrical clips. Just make sure you get all of them as best you can as you start moving the door out. Some of them you won't get out until you start getting the door a little further out, as we're showing you here. So you pick up on the door. Now, as you pick up on the door, you can start getting and moving it around. Again, don't jerk or anything because you don't want to break any of the wires, and then continue to disconnect all the wires that are here behind the door panel. Once they're all disconnected, then you can set the door panel aside.